Yep. This man's riding his bike. He getting better. Still trying to get him off them training wheels, but I ain't gonna hate on him. I know everything comes with a process, so he'll get there. And then we're gonna go ahead and turn this thing around and let you guys hear the new exhaust. Tell me what y'all think. Different from what I'm used to, because I had it coming from heads to the two cats to a Y, where there was like a third cat, and then it went to resonators and mufflers. I originally took off the mufflers, just unbolted it, then I also unbolted the resonators, and then lastly I cut off that third cat, so it was just two cats into a Y. And man, that thing sounded crazy, but it started giving me some rattling sounds and shit, so I had to go ahead and get rid of that. And this isn't even the full exhaust. I'm still gonna get some tips put on here too. Man, Lexus. Folks, so here's the headlight bulbs we're gonna be replacing, and we got some Bosch Evolution. Here's our, what is it, the valve cover gaskets, oil filter, oil. So we'll do all that probably tomorrow, or we might have time to do it today, but for now this is what we finna do. So y'all gonna be along for the process. Let's get this over with. So for the reference, if you have a GS in the 2 GS body style, GS 300, GS 400, GS 430, okay, the driver's side is obviously bigger at 24 inches, and passenger side is 20 inches. So that way y'all know not to obviously get the same size thinking that, you know what I'm saying, this is gonna work out. Trust me, it ain't. Look at this shit. I mean, like, seriously, this is just pathetic, bro. Can't believe I was even attempting to drive with this shit, but it's all right, because we're here to fix it now. All right, we're here to fix it now. Really easy. So all you do, just lift it up, push in the tab, slide it out. That's it. It's not as complicated. Don't overcomplicate it, people, okay? And as you can tell, one's larger than the other. 24 inches, 20 inches for passenger side. Please don't forget that. Install a new rubber blade. Okay, so it should be pretty simple. Just be a up. It's definitely on there. Now, okay, there we go. Oh, easy as hell. Like I said, try not to overcomplicate it. Okay. And now on to blade 2. Come outside. Ride your bike. Boom. Clicked. Locked in. It's not going nowhere. Hi, Diva. Diva Siba. Little rat dog. Alright, so that is it for the install on those. Obviously, I'll test them out real quick. Make sure they're working properly. Let's run these. Let's see what we get. How about a little water? Oh, crispy, baby, crispy. You don't see a streak on them Jones right there. That's what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? All right, cool. Next is the headlights. So these are the ones I went with. These are the Ultra, so the brightest down roads and the widest lights supposedly. These were expensive as hell. Yeah, see, we got Ultra. So there's basic, extra vision, SilverStar, and then SilverStar Ultra. The high beam, I want to say it's that one is out. So obviously I got two. We're replacing both. Why would you replace one when you could replace both? Shit. So these are the regular headlights right here, blinker lights, and these are the high beams. Now, right here, which you guys can't see, now you can. So just right here, all right, touching it. Like I said, just follow the light. All right, it's pretty easy. Perfect. That's a good angle. All right, so again, we're just gonna unclip it, and to unclip it, it's this little tab at the very bottom. Okay, just pull that out like so. Okay, and twist to the left, pull out. Done. Lastly, grab your new one and the complete opposite. So slide her in, line it up. Can't really fuck this up. Grab the tab, clip it in. Got both the bulbs installed right here and right here for the high beams. Now we're gonna set it up, flash it, see how it looks. I mean, I got medium-sized hands. I don't have super large hands. If you have big hands and thick-ass, country-ass fingers, good luck getting your hand down there. You might have to move some around or something like that, or get some help. But as long as you can reach down there, maybe with just 2 fingers or something, just push tab, pull the clip out, twist to the opposite, to the left, pull it out, install the new one, clip it in, done deal.